The race for the next smartphone king is heating up, and this March, Oppo is preparing to reveal what could be its most ambitious flagship yet, the Find X9 Ultra. While leaks have already painted part of the picture, new details are now giving us a clearer look at what Oppo may be building behind the scenes. One of the biggest talking points is the display. Earlier reports confirmed a large 6.82-inch flat OLED panel with crisp 2K resolution, but the refresh rate and battery capacity remained a mystery until now. According to recent insider information spilled by Yogesh Brar on X, early engineering units of the Find X9 Ultra are testing a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. However, the final retail version will likely settle at 120Hz, balancing performance with battery efficiency. Speaking of battery, Oppo appears to be continuing its push toward massive capacity. The Find X9 Ultra is rumored to pack a huge 7,050 mAh battery, slightly smaller than the X9 Pro's 7,500 mAh cell, yet still larger than the previous X8 Ultra, which has a capacity of 6,100 mAh. Fast charging is expected to remain a strong focus with support for 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, promising quick top-ups despite the enormous battery size. But where this device may truly stand out is in photography. Leaks suggest an aggressive quad camera system headlined by a 200-megapixel main sensor paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 200-megapixel 3x periscope zoom, and an additional 50-megapixel periscope camera. On the front, a 50-megapixel selfie camera is expected, hinting that Oppo is aiming for flagship-level imaging across the board. Under the hood, the Find X9 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, running on ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, which places the Oppo Find X9 Ultra among the most powerful smartphones of the year. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.